Hello guys, this is the 7th lesson for the Arabic alphabet. The 7th letter is Kha'a. In this lesson you will learn how to pronounce the letter and how to pronounce the letter with the short and long vowels and how to recognize the letter in a word and how to write the letter correctly. Arabic letters can be hard to pronounce, but after learning these tricks you will be able to pronounce Kha'a perfectly. Kha. It's pronounced from the top of the throat and almost closing the throat with your tongue. Kha. Kha. Each letter in the Arabic language has 3 long vowels and 3 short vowels, but it's so easy to learn. The short vowels for the letter Kha are Kha, Khu, Khi, and the long vowels for the letter Kha are Kha, Khu, Khi. Letters in the Arabic language change their form based on the location of the letter in the word and to the letters connected to it. For example, in Khayma, which means tent, it's at the beginning of the word. But in Bakhur, which means incense, it's in the middle of the word. And in Battikh, which means watermelon, it's at the end of the word, but it's connected to the letter before it. And in Kukh, which means cottage, it's at the end of the word, but it's not connected to the letter before it. To write the letter Kha, you have to draw a curved line, then half a circle, and at the top of it, a dot, and you are done.